I'm going to do a quick, fun next level of how to use OpenAI. I use Playground, but ChatGPT, you can use the same system. I'm using GPT-4, and we're going to have it find a job for us. I get a lot of women who ask me, hey, how did you get started doing what you do? I want to find a part-time work from home job. What exactly could I do? So here I've trained the system to be with the following credentials. You are a skilled career consultant and placement advisor who has a unique specialty in identifying someone's strengths and knowing where the needs in the market are that align with those strengths. You match people with a job or career that will pay well, is needed, and fits their skills. So I'm going to start off by saying, hey, give me 10 questions to help identify my skills and interests. So now it's going to give me these 10 questions. And I'm going to pause, take the time to answer these, and then paste them back in and ask them to analyze my strengths and give me a list of career options. Okay, so I just dropped those into a document and answered the questions. I am going to tell it, here are the questions with my answers following. Please use my answers to analyze my top skills and list 20 jobs that might be a good match for me. For each role, please explain why you think my skills fit and how much money I could make for each one. Actually, let me also add examples of companies that need that employee. Okay, let's try. So I've got that in there. I am going to paste my answers. I'm going to make sure I've got it's on GPT-4 over here in the settings. I'm also going to bump up my length because I gave a lot of options. This character length, 684 is just a random drag and drop number, but that's probably not going to be enough. So I'm going to bump it way up to 1500. Now, if I do go over that, I can just hit submit again and it will give me more, but I like to give it a little leeway when I have big questions like this. Okay, let's try. Okay, this is giving me several options and it's giving me some ranges too, which is great for people to be able to find. There are some company examples in there. Oh, I do not have technical writing skills, so well, maybe technical writing. Interesting. I'll have to look that up. So this is e-learning developer. That's combining my explanation of volunteering with school. Hey, here's what I am. Perfect. So interestingly enough, I told it in my answers to give me 20 jobs, 20 answers with the ranges. And I told it at the end that I feel successful when I have had a good month or year earning money. So I could actually have also told it, please rank these answers from the ones who have the potential to make the most. So it could have ranked those for me. So I think this is really helpful for people who don't exactly know what they want to do and are just getting back into the workforce and just could use some ideas to jog their ideas of what to apply for. Okay, there we go. If this is something that would be helpful to you, please comment below and let me know. what you plan to use it for, or if you have any more questions.